Say chubby bunny. Come here. Come here. Will you say chubby bunny? Please. Come here. Do it to mommy. Say chub. Look at. Do it to mommy. Do it to mommy.
I want red.
Okay. Look at me.
No.
Hey. Hey. Do you want this?
I want this.
Say. Hey. Come here. Addie, do you want it?
No.
Do you want it?
I don't want it.
You don't? Do you want it? Say chubby bunny. Say chubby bunny.
That's my color.
Come here. Don't you take that lid off. Don't you take that lid off. Come here.
No, I don't want it.
Do you want some cookies?
No.
We have to leave to go get cookies. Do you want to go? Do you want to go visit Jessica? Do you want to go see Jessica? Yeah? Should we go? Can you say chubby bunny?
Chubby bunny.
Say I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
I love you. You're such a good girl.